What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, today is day 5 of rebuilding the backyard bike park here. And yeah, yesterday we did that section. Now we're gonna do kind of this section. Hopefully get a lot of this done today. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so I think that's where we're gonna wrap up day 5, is it, of rebuilding the backyard bike park. Yeah, we got this part done, started on kind of this section. Yeah, I think I was kind of thinking you'll probably have quite a bit of speed down into here, and then I was kind of thinking like a shark fin out of the berm, which would be kind of cool. I've never built a shark fin, so but yeah, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.